your customer says they are not getting the order confirmation email, and this is a very common issue in WooCommerce. So before you install an SMTP plugin, check out these 4 common issues, and 2 of them are not even related to an SMTP plugin. So at first, check order status. Go to your WooCommerce dashboard. From WooCommerce, click on the orders page, and from the orders page, find the order that have a problematic status, right? For example, we have an order here which have a status of pending payment. So for this status, WooCommerce intentionally don't send any email to the customers because your payment gateway did not confirm any paid status. So if an order have a status pending payment, then it is expected that these orders will not send any email to the customers. However, click on the orders, it will open the orders page. Here, if you see the status is anything other than pending payment, like on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, or anything, then it should send a confirmation email to your customers. In this case, we should check the second issue, which is the email notification toggle. So once again, go to your WooCommerce dashboard, select settings page, and click on the emails. And here you will see all the email notifications available for your site. Here you can see blue tick and gray cross tick. So blue tick means your email notification is enabled, and this means it is disabled. So ensure that all the required email notifications are enabled. You can enable or disable it by clicking on the notification title or the manage button here, and you can disable it or enable it from here. Go to the bottom of the page and save the changes. Okay, so if this issue, these 2 steps actually solves most of the issues, and if this does not solve your issue, then go to the third issue, and which is like send but not delivered. And the most of the time what happens that our system actually sends the email to the customers, but the email goes to the spam or junk folder instead of delivering to the customer's inbox. So this is not a WooCommerce or WordPress or plugin issue. This is a DNS issue. And go to your DNS settings and set SPF, DKIM and DMARC for your DNS. Okay, so this is another issue. And finally, if all these 3 are not applied to your cases, then you should check the 4th one, which is the email log. Okay, so at first go to plugins and go to the add plugins page and search here like email log. Okay, and install any email log plugin from here. Once you install it, open it to dashboard and then go to your site page, shop, and place a test order. After placing a test order, you once again come back to your email log dashboard and see if WordPress actually attempted to send an email. If it is attempted but failed, then you install an SMTP plugin. You can send any SMTP plugin you prefer. Search here SMTP, and there are many popular plugins including WPAnchorBay, Fluent SMTP, or there are more. So install any one of these plugins and follow their instructions to complete the setup. Once your setup is done, it should send email. What happens here actually, many hosts actually block the default WordPress email functions. So in such cases, an SMTP plugin helps you, and I would recommend installing an SMTP plugin at the end. And in case WordPress is not even attempting to send an email to your customers, then this is another issue. We will see this in another video. Thank you for watching.